Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide photos and videos on Vivo Y19s Pro. If you are using 19s Pro and you want to hide your photos and videos, let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Google Files app, which is pre-installed in your phone. Just open it, and here just go for save folder, and here you just have to create a pin or pattern. As I have already created a pattern, so just enter that, and here you will easily get your save folder items. You just have to look for videos, photos, apps, images, audio which you want. As I'm going to select video from here and select the video which you want to hide. As I'm going to hide this one. Just keep a long press on it, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, tab on move to save folder, and here just draw your pattern or pin which you have, and after that just open your save folder from here, draw your pattern again, and you will easily get your hidden photo or video file document etc. So that's how you can easily hide your photos and videos on Vivo Y19s Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.